Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoy this video, please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of cool how-tos and a lot of cool installation videos. Enjoy. What is up guys? Today we're going to be mounting a Pro Cinema Epson 6050 UB. So we'll walk you through how to mount this thing and then we'll go ahead and unbox it and show you everything that comes with it. Let's get it going. So here we got your replacement lamp. So we got the replacement bulb for the 6050. Also fits up to the 4050 and 5050. Got the back cover, the cord cover that goes on the back of it. We're actually not gonna, we will be using this one today, so we'll show you how to to put that on and get that all set up. And Benny's got the 6050 right here. Pop her back up here. Then you've got remote, power cord, and your $200 custom chief mount that's designed to fit only for the Epson 5050, 4050, 6050 series. So yeah, our first step, flip this guy over and we pop the mount on. All right guys, so your first step in mounting the projector, I already showed you taking apart the whole mount. So here we have the mount. You got the two pieces. Screw these two pieces together. And then the first thing you want to do in the room is find the center point in the room. So you want to be dead center for where your screen is going to mount. So if you have to mount your screen off center for any reason, you want to make sure that the center of that lens and center of where this projector mounts is going to be dead center of where that screen will be. Next thing you want to do, you find your stud up top. So we're lucky, we got a stud right here. We actually pre-wired this room, so we got the outlet added up in the attic. So we can send everything down the pole and it'll look super clean. And then the outlet will run up top and then projector goes right here and sits behind that. So yeah, let's get that mounted.
Get your ceiling bracket mounted to the ceiling. You just run these through here. Run them straight down through the actual mount itself. And it just twists right on there like that. You want the keyhole either facing yourself or facing the other direction. And then these wires, you can tuck them back up and actually run them through the mount on the back side. So they'll tuck right in on the back of the projector. Super clean. All right, so once you've got it all screwed down and secured, there's actually a small Allen key screw on the other side, and that you tighten that down, it holds it to the pipe so it doesn't actually spin. And then it comes with keys. You need to unlock this first. There's a small keyhole on the top, unlock it first and open the latch. Once the latch is open, you're ready to connect your projector to the mount itself. So you take your projector, like so, spin it around. It's a little bit heavy, so you wanna make sure that you have an extra person helping you if you need it, if you can handle it yourself. You get it positioned into place here. Easier said than done. Positioned in place, you push it forward, and so that'll hold it. There's little keyhole mounts, there's 6 of them on top. Once you push it forward, put forward pressure on it, because if you don't, it can fall. Then you reach up and you hit the latch and you turn that, that locks it into place so it's secured, and then you turn your key and remove your key. That way it will not come off of this mount. Keep these keys somewhere safe. Otherwise, you won't be able to take your projector down.
All right, guys, your last step is popping your cord cover on. So first, you're gonna wanna get your HDMI plugged in, of course. There's 2 slots in the back. There's HDMI 1 and 2. You always wanna use the HDMI 1 port because that's gonna pass 4K 60 Hertz HDR. It's the one that's inset in there a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that plugged in. Nice, snug, nice and secure. And then for the cord cover, just kind of find it's not, there's 2 little notches. You want to latch those 2 on the bottom first and then press it. It should fit nice and snug. This shouldn't have any issue screwing in and it shouldn't be forced at all. The trick behind this is you don't want to jam a bunch of wires up in the cord cover. That's it. I usually leave the power cords just on top, and then if you're running a Harmony sensor or whatever smart remote sensor, I leave that wire also tangled up on top, and then I'll attach to the sensor on the front of the projector so your universal remote can control it. And we'll be doing a video on that later as well, on how to properly run a sensor and hook that up. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys, and that's it. That's how you mount an Epson 6050. This also applies to the 4050, and if you get this same mount, it will apply to the 5050 as well. Thanks for watching. Please leave us a like and give us that subscribe so we can keep our channel going. See you later.